Video.
Can we start?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we good to go?
Yeah.
Hi, welcome Upcom Media to Memphis Art Gallery here in Olumọ Rock. Please, it is important to know that when we come to our gallery, what we showcase is works of art of the contemporary scene. One, it also represents who we are as Egba indigenes too, and also celebrates the world through creative works of art. My name is Oyede Jibanji, curator and also the artist in the house. I'm going to take you over a series of works of art for appreciation. Come with me. But how would we start? If not looking up. The bamboo is one of the greatest unique phenomenon as a tree where we can utilize in different forms. Basically, most of us use them for firewood, use them for building houses and the whole lot. But through creativity, art is versatile and that's what we're utilizing this to create. This is a masterpiece and you can see its true reflection all around and that is actually a work of art on its own. And brings us to the wooden section. Wood is such as Iroko, creative works, can be utilized such as teak, ebony, and the likes, and even our boards. Please, if you look at this abstract piece in the middle, it's actually reflecting the beauty of a woman. For those who do not know, you appreciate art from afar. The more reason I keep pushing you back. It fuses together for you to see and appreciate art better.
Okay.
Please, through creativity, you can see our woodworks have actually come out uniquely. We've partnered here with redwoods, which are actually unique branded woods, and this is a masterpiece on its own. In the section here, we bring you to the game called traditionally what? Ayo Olopon. I'm very sure you all know this game, but we are not the only ones playing the game Ayo Olopon. Ayo Olopon is actually a unique game which also encompasses all around the world. The Easterners, the Igbos call it, well, join me to say Uncho. But you can search it better, say Unchorokoto. In the North, say Dara. In Edo, say Ogirise. In Delta, say Uko. In Akwa Ibom Calabar, they speak more Chinese, say Isaiso. In Ghana, say Owari. In Ethiopia, say Gilberta. In Kogi, say Eche. What we're saying is simple. The same game, uniqueness, our game, but in different styles of play. You know the song we sing when we're playing this game? Au Barawala You. So we have two unique styles of playing, Atalo, Ataduro. Now I'm bringing you to this section where you have wooden works of art, from ebony pieces and a whole lot more, creative work. This, on its own uniqueness, is actually a cutting board. But please, it is even also a functional piece as an aesthetic when it's not functional. So you can see it right now. Through creativity, it can become functional, such as the tip used as a clock as well. So, Ayo is from where, everybody?
Lagos.
They are all rock. Lagosians are mostly people from diverse countries.